Good morning, children. Okay, did you see Chrysalis videos? Yes. Okay, in previous classes, I already what are the different topics we're discussing. And in this year, we are introduced Chrysalis new textbook. Okay, previous we know already Tulip's textbook. So I will show here. See, here I am showing our new textbooks, Chrysalis new textbook. See, studio, this is our science textbook and this is the companion that are using for worksheets. Okay, are you seeing in Chrysalis app worksheet? I will show here. See, project on writing plants. Okay, what are the first chapter? The world of green. The world of green, we are having this worksheet. And now I am going to discuss the topic, the world of green. Okay, what is our first lesson? The world of green. In this year, we are using Chrysalis new textbooks. Here, the world of green, we are observing. Why we are calling world of green? Because in our surroundings, when we are observing the plants, what is the color of the green color? When we are seeing green color, it will be very pleasant. Okay, so we are discussing why the plants are in green color, what are the different types of the plants we are discussing. Okay, you know already in previous classes what are the different types of the plants, herbs, shrubs, creepers and climbers, and how it is, and what are the color and what are the changes we are observing. Now in this chapter we are seeing that plants, different types of the plants. Okay, children. So the world of the green, our first chapter. The world of green. Okay, children. So that is the our first chapter, and here see in this activity 1.1 they are given. See here Nina is taking a walk in the garden, and what do you think she is and feels? Fill in the thought bubble. Here see they are given one thought bubble. See here one thought bubble there. So Nina, she is walking in this garden and she thinks and she feels and she sees the greenery and she feels. What she feels? Different types of plants there in this garden. It is in green color. Some are having small plants and some are the big plants and some are having flowers. She is thinking like that. So like that what she thinks you have to write here in this bubble. Okay, children? And next topic is the activity 1.1. When you are completing your activity, you have to send through Chrysalis app. Okay. Upload response you are having, you have to take P after completion of your work and you have to send through Chrysalis. And next one, see. So plants make our world green and they are giving food to us and they are giving shelter for animals. See, plants are different types of, they are having some sizes and they are having some shapes and they are having some colors like that, and we are using different parts of our body like that. The plants also they are using different types of body to stay and to can grow. And let us take the basic parts of the plant. Here see activity 1.2. Look at a plant in your surroundings and draw a picture of and label at least 3 points. Here see, I will draw here one plant. What is this, children? Stem. And next one, branches. Okay. Can you observe this plant, children? Here see, what is this? Stem. Okay. Stem. And these are the leaf. And this is the flower. And this is a fruit. And here we are having roots. in the land we are throwing the seeds and they are growing into the plants. So this is the ground. Below the ground, the plant below the ground we can call root system. This one we can call root system. And above the ground, the plant above the ground we can call shoot system. Okay children, so root system and shoot system. Here see the part of a plant that grows below the ground is called root system and the part of a plant that grows above the ground is called shoot system. Above the ground and below the ground. Below the ground the plant will grow, the roots we can observe in the below the ground and remaining parts we can observe in the above the ground. That is the shoot system. Here see each part of the root and shoot systems carries some specific functions. Here see the stem they are having some specific functions. See the roots of a plant hold the plant formed into the ground. They grow downwards in search of water. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil. When we are observing these roots they can firmly to the ground. Okay, and they can hold the plant firmly to the ground. Okay, when it means very strong and they can absorb water. And what are the nutrients we are having on the ground, they can absorb. The roots they can absorb. And stem. After that we can see stem. Did you observe stems? What is the color of the stem? What is the color of the stem? It is woody color. And here see, their stem it gives structure of the plant. Okay. If they are having, they don't have stem. What happens? It will be hollow. Okay. If they are having stem, it gives support to the plant and it can carry water from the other parts of the plant. They can bear branches and they can bear leaves, flowers and fruits. Here we are observing, see it can carry water and nutrients from the other parts of the plant. Okay, it carries food made by the leaves to all the other parts of the plant. Who can prepare food? Leaves. Okay, leaves they can prepare food. So it is usually in green color and it can uses air, water and sunlight to make food for the plant. Leaf they can prepare food. So that food they can carry to other parts of the plant. Okay, thus the stem carries food, water to other parts of the plant. Who can prepare food here? Leaf can prepare food. And flower. See, are you seeing flowers? So flowers are always beautiful and colorful. So every plant is having some flowers. Did you observe guava plant? Guava, you know guava fruit. So you like guava? So guava plant also they are having some flowers. After some days the flowers become into a fruit. Okay. Here also the flowers they can become into a fruits. And next one fruit. See, it is usually fleshy and juicy. Okay, you can see, observe the fruits they are having flesh and they are very juicy and they are having seeds. See some fruits they are having single seeds and some fruits they are having many seeds. Okay, these seeds we are using to grow under plants. Okay, children. So the fruit they are having seeds. And the plant they are having flowers. After some days the flowers become into a fruits. In these the plants are having roots. only main root they are having. They don't have other small roots. Okay, main roots they are having. That type of plants we can call fibrous root system. For example, aloe vera plant. Did you observe aloe vera plant? They are having only main single root. So these type of plants we can call fibrous root system. How many types of systems we are having? Taproot system and fibrous root system. And we are observing here different types of the plants and different parts of the plant. What are the functions of the plants? What is the function of stem, leaf, flower, fruit and roots? And what is the root system and what is the shoot system? Okay children, I think you will understand this all the topics, and next class next session we are discussing another topic. Here see activity 1.3. Draw a picture of your favorite flower. Write 4 words to describe it. Here they are given gap. In this blank you have to draw flower and describe it. For example, see here. For example, I am drawing here one rose flower. Okay, so how it is? What is the color of the flower and what are the petals and what are the sepals? So I am discussing. Here you have to write different parts, and here you have to draw one flower and describe this words. Here see, discuss your answers in the class with others. Use different words to describe the flower. Some members are thinking another flower is like. They thinking their creativity. Okay, it's depend upon their creativity. They are describing like that. So write one new word you love. In this chapter, what is the word you love? You have to write here. Okay, children. So next session we are discussing another one. And now I will show here. In this company, you are having one project work. Did you complete this? If you are completing on this, you have to upload this page. See, variety in plants. Here they are given numbering. First you have to observe what are the plants, what type of plants they are having, and you have to write here next page. Okay, herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. Okay children, did you complete this? Okay. Bye children. Next we will meet another session.